In this tutorial, I'll show you how to start your Toyota when your remote key fob isn't working. Most of the time, this happens when the battery in the fob is dead and needs replaced. This vehicle is a Toyota Venza. If you look at the key fob remote, you will notice a button that says push. Simply push this button and you should be able to pull a metal key out. Now you can open your car door if it is locked. Insert the key and turn it to the right to unlock your car door. Next, I will show you how to start your Toyota Venza or other car even if your key isn't working. After you open your door, it is likely your car will not be able to detect your key remote. Put your foot on the brake and push the engine start button. You should see a message that says depressed brake pedal. Touch engine switch with key. Go ahead and hold the remote key fob up right next to the ignition button. Your car should detect the key and display a message which reads depress brake pedal and push engine switch to start. Go ahead and do that and your car should start, like so. Pretty cool, isn't it? Now, keep watching and I'll show you how to replace the battery in your key remote. First, remove the metal key as demonstrated earlier. There is a small slot on one end of the fob that you can open the remote if you pry it using the end of the metal key. Next, open up the remote and remove the circuit board which holds the battery. You can remove the battery with the end of the metal key. Be careful not to break the prongs that hold the battery in place. The Toyota Venza uses a 3V CR1632 battery. Other car remotes may use different batteries. Take a look at your old battery and make note of the number engraved on it. Snap the new battery in place and put the key remote fob back together like this. To put the remote back together properly, notice how the battery lines up with the circle shape. It should fit snugly and will look like this. Next, place the other side with the buttons on it and press together until all sides have snapped into place. Now all you have to do is insert the metal key back into the slot on the end of the remote and test it out on your car.
5 hours later.
If you need additional help getting your key remote to work, please leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Please do us a favor and like this video and subscribe for more awesome tutorials like this. Thank you and have a great day.